Hi Bruce, so here we go. We have 500 deep shelves at the top here, made in sections of 600mm. They no longer make the 120. I've changed the position of the baskets here and here because these, excuse me, these use 400 deep spurs, those are 500 deep spurs, and we can make a better job of integrating on this side and providing more variation in height by having the little baskets here, and we utilise this bracket as the suspension point for this rail. So it's small change here, it just works better like that. These are 400 deep spurs with no shelf and a rail across, waist height rail as requested on this little nib filler piece here. It's better to have no shelf here. I've looked at it with shelves, and all you're doing is you're restricting this hanging drop from these garments and a possible shelf here. So it wastes space, and to be honest, if I'm absolutely honest with you, I still wouldn't be putting that shelf there. I'd be saying, if you really want that, I can send it to you in July. I promise you, you won't need it. When these are full of clothes, you won't see into the top of that basket, and it just won't be an issue. You won't be using that as a shelf. But they're cheap, so if I ship them in June, it's not a disaster. Do let me know though. So yes, I've gone for the 2.1 rails. You can start this shelf anywhere here. It's fully adjustable, so that doesn't affect the overall height, and it gives you a little bit of capacity and adjustment if needed. So I think this is very close to your last request list. I think it's a sensible design, and no issues in terms of carrying forward with this. I'm going to look at the storeroom now.